Welcome to 17 Arvia. Discover sophisticated modern living in this stunning two-storey townhome offering 1,875 square feet of thoughtfully designed space. With 3 spacious bedrooms and 3 luxurious bathrooms, including a flexible third bedroom ideal for a nursery or home office, this residence adapts to your lifestyle. Tastefully furnished, this additional package is worth almost $50,000. Perfect for entertaining, the open-plan kitchen, living and dining area lead out onto the full-length balcony. What sets this townhome apart is the attention to detail, the thoughtful and considered additions that elevate this property from the expected to the unexpected. A contemporary accent wall in the master bedroom, pieces of art doing double duty as lighting centerpieces, well thought out viewing areas, and wall-to-wall glass allowing the outside in. Carefully designed bespoke storage solutions, a reading snug designed to frame views of the incredible Cayman sunset are just some of the stylish surprises. You can never have enough storage, and this townhome with its multiple walk-in closets ensures you have plenty. The bathroom feels like a spa experience, with waterfall vanities, accent lighting, and a deep soak bathtub. And with 3 full bathrooms, a busy family doesn't mean there will be lines to get in. Let's face it, details matter here. But the beauty of Arvia is not all on the inside. With a range of resort-style amenities, including an Olympic-sized pool, professionally equipped gym and yoga studio, and tennis and pickleball courts, this gated community delivers the punches outside too. This isn't just a residence, it's a lifestyle. Embrace comfort, convenience, and luxury, all at 17 Arvia.